Being that this weekend's probably going to be the last nice weekend for riding, weather-wise, in Northwest Ohio, the wife and I are going to head to Fort Wayne, Indiana, and check out the Harley Davidson dealership there. This is going to be the longest ride we've ever been on. It's about 300-mile round trip, nothing crazy, but we've never done it before, so why don't you come along with us? Thank you. Well, we finally made it, and the wife is whooped just after 150 miles. But she's comfortable in her Crocs. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Well, we just made it back from the Fort Wayne Harley Davidson dealership. Everybody at the Harley Davidson dealership was awesome. Staff got to meet Nick, the Harley guy. He's a big guy on TikTok. Cool dude. Dealership is awesome. Bigger than most of the ones that are around here, at least in Northwest Ohio. The ride was awesome. The weather was awesome. The wife made it through. She was a trooper. And over there, she got me my birthday present, a road bell. So, like this video, subscribe for more content. Thank you.